Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do one of the most essential things, and that is how to install a WordPress theme. If you're just starting a website, you have probably bought a hosting solution with a provider of your choice. Your hosting solution may already come with a WordPress installation. If not, check out the article linked in the description of this video to learn how to install WordPress. Right now we're going to show you two methods for installing a theme. So the first method is to use the admin panel or your dashboard. Log into your account, navigate to Appearance in the left side menu, click on Themes, and then on Add New. Then locate your theme's zip file and click on Install Now. Once the upload is complete, you will need to activate your theme. The second method is via FTP account, which is basically your installation directory. We're going to use it to install a theme we have already downloaded to our computer. Open your FTP account and navigate to wp-content/themes. Now paste the unzipped themes folder there. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance. Click on Themes and activate the theme. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.